Welcome to Leia's Page Turns. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Hi there, my sweetheart. Welcome to Leia's Page Turns. I'm Mommy Leia, and today let's tell a fun story about hiccups. Come on, let's open our storybook for today, The 100th Hiccup. Are you ready? In a warm, sunny town lived a little calico cat named Dottie. She had patches of orange, white, and black and was a happy girl, but she had the loudest, most special hiccups in the whole world. Whether she was full of milk or having too much fun, Dottie would happily go hic, hic. Her best friend, Dougie the puppy, loved to hear her hiccup and would always start to wag and bark with joy at the funny sound. This afternoon, Dottie couldn't stop hiccuping again. Grandpa Owl, who lived in the tree next door, flew by. He landed on the windowsill, adjusted his glasses, and got ready to tell Dottie a very big secret. Grandpa Owl said mysteriously, "I've heard an old legend. If a cat hiccups 100 times in a row, her body will become as light as a balloon, float up to the sky, and never come back." His words dropped into Dottie's heart like a little stone, giving her a big scare. Her round eyes grew even wider, and her mouth made a little O shape. Grandpa Owl's words stayed stuck in her head. From that day on, hiccuping became a very scary thing. When Dottie ate, she took tiny, slow bites. When she drank water, she would lick it carefully, like a little bird trying hard to be a good kitty who never hiccups. When her best friend Dougie came to ask her to play their favorite chasing game, Dottie just shook her head in fear. She held her tummy and panted, No, I can't. I just want to take a slow walk today." At Piggy's birthday party, Dottie couldn't resist the bubbly fruit juice. After she took a big sip, a tiny little hiccup escaped from her mouth all by itself. Heck, there was another one. Dottie nervously counted in her head. The second, the third. She was so scared, she quickly covered her mouth. She couldn't hear her friends laughing anymore, only the sound of her own heartbeat. When she counted the 95th hiccup, she was terrified. She felt like her body was really getting lighter. Under her 4 fluffy paws, there was a strange, floaty feeling of not quite touching the ground. Dottie's imagination ran wild. She saw herself floating out the window like a balloon that wasn't tied down. Her best friend Dougie was on the lawn below, shouting anxiously, "Dottie, where are you going?" She floated higher and higher. She saw the party's colorful flags and the roof of the park, and everything looked as small as building blocks. The wind whistled in her ears, and she felt so lonely and so scared. Finally, with a soft bump, she felt herself get tangled in something soft. Oh no, she was stuck at the very top of the tallest, biggest oak tree in town. She couldn't get down and could only watch the sunset all by herself. "Sweetheart, what's wrong? Your face is all red." A gentle voice softly pulled Dottie back from her scary daydream. She opened her eyes and found herself safe and sound on the living room sofa. Dottie wanted to tell her mommy about the scary legend, but she didn't dare open her mouth. She was afraid the 100th hiccup would pop out. Seeing her looking so uncomfortable, her mommy gently pulled her into a warm hug. Mommy let Dottie rest comfortably on her shoulder. Then, with her warm, steady hand, she began to gently pat Dottie's back in a slow rhythm. Pat, 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 so steady and calm. Dottie felt the tickly, naughty hiccup air that was trying to go up, 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 start to change direction with her mommy's gentle pats. It wasn't going up anymore. It was gurgling its way down, down, down. Suddenly, that little bit of air found a new way out. Toot! A long, loud toot slipped out from Dottie's bottom. And the strangest thing happened. After the toot was gone, the hiccup that was stuck in her throat disappeared too. Dottie froze for a few seconds. She shyly wiggled her toes and felt them resting safely on her mommy's lap. She hadn't floated away. She was still in her mommy's warm arms, so the hiccup air could come out the bottom too. Dottie let out a big sigh of relief. She shyly buried her face deep into her mommy's sweet-smelling shoulder. She wasn't afraid of hiccups anymore because she knew the little secret, and she knew her mommy's hug was the safest place in the world. This gentle and humorous story shows how a casual remark from an adult can create curious anxieties for a child. It reminds us that fear can be magnified by imagination, and the best cure isn't a lecture, but simple love and security. It's a wonderful tale about listening to a child's worries and how a warm hug can solve the most fantastical problems. The story's all done. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I'm Mommy Leia. Remember to come back next time and turn a new page with me. Good night!